Welcome back to Technoguias. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the date and time or your device is by change you need. The first thing we are going to do is go to the settings of window application, press in, okay, and once we enter in the system we have the option to write time an hour configure, and we can see this. In my case, I have time zone in Caracas, Venezuela, are set automatically, time set the sound system automatically, and we also have the option synchronize the clock. You now have the option to modify it. It will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what you thought of